Stone Floor Cleaning London. www.onestonefloorcleaninglondon.co.uk. First for stone floor cleaning and restoration in London. Has your stone floor lost its original shine? Is your stone floor grimy? Is it an uphill struggle to clean your stone floor? We can help with all types of stone flooring. Marble, dulled by wear and scratches. Travertine, with soil-filled holes. Limestone, that is soaked up grime and soil. Old terrazzo, damaged by cracks and carpet gripper nails. Granite, dulled by years of traffic. Sandstone, dulled by years of ingrained soil. Once beautiful terracotta and slate floors, with layers of old wax and sealer deposits. Soiled Victorian clay tiles, once hidden under carpet and lino. How we can help you, by restoring your stone floors. Specialist cleaning to remove unsightly surface soil. Unique, hot rinse and extraction, to carry away years of ingrained soil. Diamond grinding, to resurface worn and uneven floors. Diamond polishing, to restore the luster to dull marble. Limestone, Terrazzo, and Granite. Wonderful sealers to help protect and extend the life of your new floor. Visit our simple contact form at onestonefloorcleaninglondon.co.uk to arrange your free, no obligation, stone floor restoration quotation. We are here to help you. www.onestonefloorcleaninglondon.co.uk. First for stone floor cleaning and restoration in London.